Hi guys, welcome to the channel. This is my second video on this channel and today we are doing something different. So a few weeks ago I was throwing to the Thingiverse as I normally do every day, and I came across this very interesting, pretty cool baby Groot model. Groot is one of my favorite characters and it just ended up being that I had the same exact model on my YouTube profile picture. So I thought, what a perfect opportunity to make a video about 3D printing my profile picture. So yeah, we're doing that right now. I started by downloading the model from the Thingiverse. Then I opened up the Cura and in there I changed a few settings. I went with 0.15 layer height for some hard details. I also changed the infill from 20 to 15% and I scaled the entire model to 115% just to make it a bit bigger. And that's basically it. You just save the model to SD card and you're ready to print it.
Grooty, 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 I am Groot, I am Groot, I am Grooty, 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 I am Groot, I am Grooty, Grooty, I am Groot, Grooty, Grooty, I am Groot, Grooty, Grooty, I am Groot, I am Groot, I am Groot, I am Groot.
So, second attempt, it fell again, but I was able to start the print before this happened again. Now the reason both of these failed is because I didn't add supports. You see, there was this giant head on this small neck, and after some time print just started shaking and the nozzle caught up in the infill and print just peeled off the bed, and that's what caused it to fail. Now you could easily fix that by just adding the supports or by adding the Z-hop, but I didn't end up printing it for a third time. I just removed the felt layers off and printed the top of his head again and glued it on top of the existing one, and that gave me just as good results. All prints are now done printing, and this is me removing all the brims, and I'm also sanding a few parts that needs to be sanded. So essentially this is everything we need to paint this guy. As you can see, I bought a few of these acrylic paints. I bought the white primer for plastic, and I also bought a few of these brushes, different sizes. Now first thing that we need to do is to apply some of this primer to the print. This will make your paint stick better, and in general you're gonna have better results by using the primer. So we're gonna do that right now. So as we wait for the primer to cool down, I'm gonna talk about these paints. So these are basically regular acrylic paints that you can buy in almost any store. These are great for like small statues or any type of model making, and they will stick great on plastic, which is perfect for me. I'm gonna try to match the colors of this picture, which is basically my profile picture, and yeah, it should be pretty fun. Let's go. So today is the second day. Yesterday I painted the body in this brown layer and I also painted the head off camera. Now we are going to work on some details like this green grassy stuff on his body, and we're gonna try to add some shadows with the black or grayish paint. I'm gonna open up the picture and we can start painting. Okay, so I'm done painting the head and the body with this green color. So once again I was trying to match this picture and I put some green on his forehead, on his feet and his hands, as you can see. And now it's time to add some details and some shadows. And for this I'm gonna be mixing some of this white and black paint, and that should be one of the last steps of painting this guy, so let's start. I might do some changes of camera, some more details, but all in all, this is pretty much done. I did add some like darker colors to make it more like dirtier right here under his legs also. I'm not gonna paint his eyeballs because I think it looks way better just like this. I also have to remove this stand, and after that I'm gonna show you the final result. So before I show you the final result, I have to say that I'm very happy with how this turned out. I only now realized how satisfying the painting is, and I'm pretty sure that I'll do more of these videos on my channel. The Groot is actually pretty much the same as on the picture, but it's a bit darker. But I have to say that I actually love this version a bit more. Not to procrastinate, this is a 3D printed baby Groot.